Hey guys, it's Imani back at it again with another video, and don't mind the background. I'm in the middle of packing for New York. I leave Tuesday morning at 6 a.m. It's currently Sunday night. So, yeah, that's the situation I'm in. Today I'm going to be doing a product review for you guys, and it's going to be on these three products right here, and they're from the Shea Moisture, Manuka Honey, and Mafura oil line. I have the Intensive Hydration Shampoo. I have the Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. And then I have the Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk. Now this one is new, so I guess this review might be somewhat helpful for you guys. But these been out for a minute, but I have never tried this hairline before. And I had recently just found out that I have low porosity hair. If you don't know what porosity is and the specs on that, I can definitely do a separate video on how I found out and what you should do if your hair is low porosity or any other porosity, you know. I researched all of it. To my understanding, they added the leave-in milk and conditioner, I think, to the line last week or sometime. But again, I have never tried any of these products, so they're all going to be new to me. And the reason why I didn't get the conditioner is because in my normal wash day routines, I don't use just regular conditioner. I don't shampoo, conditioner, and then deep condition. When I wash my hair, I always do shampoo, deep conditioner, and then I follow it with my leave-in, and you know, I do the lock method. I do that. But for one, that has been working out for me, using leave-in conditioner, oil, and then a cream, because I get product buildup up the booty hole. Okay, my product buildup is so bad, and I try to use less and less product each time, but I just still get product buildup, and I found out it's because I have low porosity hair. So my hair needs a lot of hydration. It's very, very dry. I don't know if you probably can't tell. This is my hair about 5 days after I clip my ends. In the video before this, if you haven't seen that, I'll link it below and put it on the screen somewhere. But yeah, this is how my hair looks after I clipped it. I've been sleeping on it. The first night I slept without a bonnet, but the nights after I slept with a bonnet. So this is how it looks. It's very dry, but I can also tell that it's a lot healthier because I cut my hair. Like, I can definitely tell the difference. But yeah, this is how it looks. I chose this line because it's intensive hydration, and that's what I need right now. And I just want to see if it'll do wonders for my hair. So I'm going to go wash my hair and deep condition. I'm not going to show you guys my initial reactions as I try them, just because of how my bathroom's set up in the shower. It's not a good look. But I'm going to try these on my own and then come back and tell you guys how they are. And then I'm going to try this leave-in milk on camera. Okay? Alright guys, I'm back. I got in the shower, washed my hair, put my deep conditioner in, got out, waited. I kept the deep conditioner in for about 30 to 40 minutes, and I got back in the shower and rinsed it out. And this is me fresh out the shower, all lotioned and, you know, glistening and glowing. So we're going to start off with the shampoo. First of all, I want to say this line smells amazing. It reminds me of my Design Essentials honey and chamomile curl forming custard, because that smells so good, and the smells are almost identical to each other, so that's great. When I first put it into my hands, I was very delighted that it wasn't runny like the Jamaican black castor oil shampoo that I have. Even though I love it, it's really runny. It reminds me of the Shea Moisture raw shea butter moisture retention shampoo. That's how the consistency is, and it also looks similar because they have the same kind of yellow going on. But yeah, I put it in my hands, rubbed it in there, and then as soon as I put it into my head, it started foaming up, which I love. And you know, when your hair foams up, that means your hair is clean. So I think it foamed up immediately because my hair was already kind of somewhat clean. because I washed it last week. I usually wash my hair every other week. So yeah, there's that. It felt really good. It melted into my hair. My hair felt soft while putting the shampoo in, so I rinsed the shampoo out. And then I went in for this bad boy right here. This one smells amazing. I want you guys to see the consistency. It's really thick. Extremely thick. Like, this stuff is thick. Okay. And that's what I love about it. Even though I'm obsessed with my Aussie Moist 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioner, which is very lightweight and very airy, this is the complete opposite, and I still love it all the same. As soon as I put it onto my hair, I could just, it melted into my hair, and it just felt wonderful. It felt amazing. So I got out the shower, put my little cap on, and let it sit, and then I took my cap off, and I can feel the weight of the deep conditioner, which is something I never feel when I use my Aussie Moist deep conditioner. So that's cool. I felt it working, if that makes sense. Like, I can feel it doing stuff to my hair while it was sitting there, so that's cool too. But yeah, that's really all I had to say. Nothing bad about them. They're pretty great. I can definitely see myself using this one as my shampoo. I only use my Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo when I have a lot of product buildup, because it does have apple cider vinegar in it, which helps cleanse your scalp and everything. So I can definitely see myself using this shampoo when I'm not using that shampoo. And I can definitely see myself using this more often. This when I have time to do a 30-minute deep condition, and I'll just use my Aussie Moist when I only have like 5 minutes to deep condition, when I don't feel like getting in and out the shower. So yeah, we're gonna end up rambling about those. I do dry my hair with a t-shirt, and you can see some of the red. Oh wow. This is how my hair looks. Straight with just using the shampoo and the deep conditioner. Straight out of the shower. T-shirt dried. Wow. Okay. I'm really, I can see that definition going on there. So now we're going to go in with the leave-in hair milk, and after I put this on, I'm going to put some coconut oil on my hair. Oh, hello. She thick. It looks like lotion. Like one of those pump lotion things that you get from Walmart. Okay. We're gonna apply generously. We're gonna start off here. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, so I'm back after applying some coconut oil onto it, and actually looking at my hair, my curls are actually they look pretty good. They're not defined, but they're defined. Like, they look good, sis. I'm trying to get my afro even, because, you know, ever since I cut it, now my hair don't know how to act. But, yeah. Alright, so this is how my hair looks after the hair milk and everything is in there. I definitely do recommend this hairline for you guys. The Shea Moisture, Manuka, Honey, and Mafura oil line is really good. It's really amazing, and I will definitely be trying these products out again. This video is not sponsored. I should have said that at the beginning. This video is not sponsored whatsoever. Nobody wants to sponsor me, because who am I? Nah, everybody's missing, you know what I'm saying? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, hit the little bell to be notified when I upload. Right there, I upload every time that I upload. I don't really have a set schedule anymore. I mean, I have one, but do I follow it? We'll see next week. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. But see you guys in my next video. Bye.